Vijay, wishing you all wonderful morning. Today we are going to explore how to write a blog by using AI tools within 15 minutes. Here we are using two AI tools named GravityWrite.ai and another one is Blue Willow to create images for the blog. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. First, we will use gravity right. I will share the links in description. Just click on gravity right. Then here click on start for free. Click on sign up with Google. Okay. First here on the left side, just a moment. Oops, some issue with the internet. Just a moment. I will write gravity right. Yeah, start for free. Yeah, now it's opening. Here on the left side, there is an option called for blogs. Here there is a blog tools. Here first to write a blog we need a title. First we will generate a title. Blog title generator. Click on blog title generator. Number of blog titles you need. I will write 3. Enter the focus keyword. Write a blog using AI tools, that is gravity right and blue willow application. Just create content. Now it will create 3 titles for me. See here, unleash your creativity, how to write a blog using AI tools like just see which title will shoot to you. Yeah, I will write this one. Boost your blogging game with AI. Gravity Write and Blue application unleashed. I will copy this one. After that, again, now after creating the blog title, you need to generate the outline of a blog. Just click on blog outline. Enter your blog topic. You copied the title. From there, you have to paste this title. Just clear content. Now it will create the outline of the content. See, now it's created the content. Right? Just copy this one. Or from here you can copy to also. Here there is a copy button. After that you copy it in Word. Yeah, I copied this one. Again, I'm moving to, now we need to write a blog content. Just enter your blog topic. Just to open the Word file. Blog topic is transform your blog into so and so. Copied that one. Here you see, enter your blog outline here. You need to copy the outline of the blog, which I already pasted in the Word document. Just make it Control C. Then again go to this one, click and paste it. Then click on Create Content. See here, it's writing a blog. See, it's already written a blog, right? And another thing is, in a blog, we need images also. For that also, we will take the gravity right help or and also Blue Willow application. How to use gravity right to prepare the prompt, to create a text prompt. Just you copy all this blog, just make a copy, click on Word, go to Word file, just again copy the blog content here. Okay, then again go to, then here there is one option called image brief for blog. Click on image brief for blog, enter a blog outline here. Again you will go to our Word file, Control C to copy the data. After that, just paste the blog outline here. Then create content. Now it will create text prompts to generate images. See, right? Here we got a text prompts, right? Then we will use another application called Blue Willow to generate images. We already have a text prompt, so that we are using a Blue Willow application. I will share the links in description. Blue Willow, type Blue Willow in Google. Just click Blue Willow. Try now for free. Yeah. Okay. Then here you have to write the text prompt. And you here you select the 1216 into 832. Here you have to paste the prompt. For that we will use this one. First prompt is this one. Control C. Go to Blue Willow. Just paste it. Then click generate image. We need to sign up for the Blue Willow. I am using one account. Just hold on. Continue. I will stay on free plan. Just click it. Click generate image. Now see, it's generating image. It will take some time. Before that, I will copy another prompt also. See, it's already generated. I will download this one. Okay, again, I will copy another prompt. Click on generate image. And also, I will take a prompt 3. Again, I will move to Blue Willow site. See here how fast it is. Click on generate image. In Blue Willow, you can create up to 10 images for free per month, so that you can use this Blue Willow application to generate images. See, it's generated. Again, I will go to prompt for copy. Again, paste, generate image. Again, I will move to this one. Then again, I will paste this one, generate image. Till it is generating, I will again copy another prompt. Click on generate. Now it is generating. I will download all the prompts. Click on download. Again here also 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 click on download. Now totally we, we created a blog and also we created images for that blog. Now just open this file which I already copied. Introduction to AI and blogging, understanding the basics of artificial intelligence. Just click here, insert the picture, this device, go to downloads, insert. Okay, next go to this one, the evolution of AI technology. Go to insert picture, this device, you take this one, line one, inserted. Then again you click here, insert picture, this device, click on to third image, inserted. Then again click on here, click on insert, click on picture, this device. Then you go to fourth one, insert image. Then here you click here, insert picture, this device. Like that you need to copy the images, right? Now our total blog has been completed. See here, I hope so it has taken less than 10 minutes also. See, I hope this information might helpful to you to create a blog using AI tools like Gravity Write and Blue Willow. Both are free tools. This Gravity Write tool, you can create up to 2000 characters for free, and another Blue Willow, you can create 10 images for free. So that I hope this video will bring you some knowledge to you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Your feedback matters. Thank you.